Most small teams pay people one decision at a time, with no real structure underneath. This is the Compensation Pay Band and Pay Equity Workbook for Excel and Google Sheets. It gives you a salary structure you own, places every employee against it, and screens your pay for equity. No compensation platform and no consultant. It runs on two simple numbers. Compa-Ratio is a salary divided by the midpoint of its band, so 1.00 sits right at the rate you target. Range penetration shows where in the band a salary sits, from the floor to the ceiling. Together, they let you compare a coordinator and a director on the very same scale. It starts on the Pay Bands tab. Set a minimum, a midpoint, and a maximum for each level, and the workbook computes range spread and midpoint differential, so you can see at a glance whether your structure actually holds together. Overwrite the example with your own market data, and the rest of the workbook reads from it. Now list your people. Type each person's band and salary, and their Compa-Ratio, range penetration, and band placement fill in automatically. The moment a salary lands below the minimum or above the maximum, it's flagged in color. So off-band pay never slips past you unnoticed. Then check Pay Equity. The workbook averages Compa-Ratio by gender, by department, and by tenure, compares each group with the team, and flags the gaps that are wide enough to look into. Because Compa-Ratio already accounts for level, it's a fair comparison, a first-pass screen that shows you where to look, not a verdict. The dashboard pulls it all together. How many people sit within band, below it, or above it, the average and median Compa-Ratio, the equity flags raised, and the full placement spread across your bands. And every decision you make gets a dated home on the action log. It's more than a template. 4 plain English guides come with it. A Start Here walkthrough, a guide to designing pay bands, a guide to reading Compa-Ratio and pay equity, and a printable worksheet for the comp review, plus a one-click Google Sheets copy ready to use in your drive. And you own it outright. No seats, no monthly fee, no salary data behind someone else's login. Just a structure you keep and update on your own terms. Find the Compensation Pay Band and Pay Equity Workbook at ardentworkshop.com. Own it, don't rent it.